Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my classic vertical creative journal for Monday the 25th of April through to Sunday the 1st of May. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep watching. So to start, let's take the pages off the discs to make it easier, and I'll pop the planner over there. Okay, so for this spread, I am going to be using the Homebody book. So it's got some beautiful florals in here, heaps of decorative stickers, yeah, some just lovely boxes and all sorts of stuff. So this is my creative journal. So it doesn't really matter where I pop the stickers because I will just write all around it. So, but I like to have a box here for my gratitude. So that's usually the first thing I have a look for, is to see if they have any long boxes. If not, I'll put a small box there and a couple of quotes or something along those lines. I haven't seen a long sidebar box yet, but that doesn't mean that there's not one in here. Let's keep looking. Sorry, got this tickle in my throat today. I don't know why, but yeah, just woke up with it. So what I might do is actually pop one of these in there. And I will also pop in a couple of these lovely quotes that we have here. It's okay to slow. It's okay to go slow. Oh. It's okay not to talk properly too, apparently. Okay, so let's pop this one down. Reasonably straight. Oh. Beautiful. This may go over the lines, but that's fine. Like I said, I'm not too particular in this planner. I can do a few lines of gratitude there, and let's then pop in. What else will we pop in there? I like these weekend ones too. I'll put a banner in for the weekend as well. Put this one in, I think. Make today beautiful. Just trying to line that up a little bit. That certainly was not straight. So much trouble getting these stickers down straight sometimes. Okay, there we go. All right, let's bring that other page back. Okay, so I did like that weekend sticker, so let's go back. And we have weekend at home or just weekend. I think I might just put in weekend because I don't know what my weekend will consist of. Usually it would be going to the markets, I think, on a Sunday. So, and then it could be what's it called? Shopping and all that kind of stuff as well, grocery shopping. Usually go and do that on the weekends. I'm thinking I might move that over a bit so you can see. Pop that down. Don't know what that will look like over the top of it because that's not, it doesn't look very nice. It's not a clear sticker, so it's not a clear weekend sticker, so you really can't see through, and it doesn't look as good. But I'm going to pop that down anyway, and then we might find something else to pop around it. Okay, what else have we got in here? Let's see. So I might get a couple more of the boxes with the sayings in them. I like that one. And I like that. So I might pop that one over on this page just here. And then we'll layer this one with a couple of boxes like these ones, I think. Let's do a pink. So I'm going to pop him here like this. Now I like to have at least one box on each day. I think that's just to put in like a highlight of my day, what I might have done, where I might have been, you know, just things like that, just to give it a bit of a, you know, make it stand out. But what I will do is I will write all around the boxes and everything. So I'll write like in this little section here and stuff like that. So I don't necessarily need a heap of boxes, just a few will do. So I'm going to pop that one, and I'm going to pop him down there like so. So usually how I work this out, my design process is I do the sidebar first, and then I'll go through and put my little decoratives in with my boxes, and then I will then fill in the rest if there's anything else. Let's just take that one off for now. I might pop another one of these over on that side. Okay, I think I might use this one over there because that goes with the weekend, and it goes with the it's okay to go slow. So it's we're sort of using these colour, what are they called? These colours in there anyway, so it will match in. Oh gosh, so I want that one on Sunday so I can write about going to the markets and stuff. I'm going to pop that one down there like so. Okay, what else have we got? Might keep in the theme and use these ones. Just so we can keep it consistent, a little bit consistent. Okay, let's then find maybe some flowers, because there's beautiful flowers. We could go with those ones. So there's some on clear and some on paper. So those ones are on clear. That's on paper. That one's on clear, that's on paper, and then you go into those ones. So I think we might use the clear ones, and I think we might use these ones. So I'm going to pop, ooh. Okay. I'm going to pop that. I actually want it on the bottom, so I'm going to pop it down there because these have got the flowers on the top, so I don't want to cover up the flowers on the top. So I'm going to pop it there like so. And then I'm going to get probably this one. Oh, come on. Okay, and I'm going to pop that there. And I'm going to pop him on there like so. Now I've got a space there, but I'll fill that up. I will fill that up with like leaves and stuff. So let's see what So let's see. Yeah, beautiful. All right, pop that there. And then we might actually do, oops, this one. I might pop him there like that. Very nice. So I've got practically, and then I've gone and put this one on extremely crooked. So let's see if I can straighten this one up without pulling everything apart. Is that any straighter? Yep. All right, lovely. Okay, so I pretty much got a box on every day. So let's just put in some of these to fill up the spaces around the place. All right, I'm going to pop that one there. I might do an orange one. And pop him down there. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. I mean, I can have a saying over here, I think. I like this one. Stop rushing through life. I'll put that one there. But I'm going to get my Signo pen because I want to pop him here, but I want to white out some of those lines. So I use a Signo Uniball 1.0 in the white to, sorry, I'm just going to measure so I know how far up I need to go to white out the lines. Sometimes it's better than having the white out. So I think that's as far as I need to go up. Let that dry a little bit. Don't know if that actually works, but you know, makes you feel good, doesn't it? Okay, let's pop that there and see if I need any more. Nope. Beautiful. Okay. Let's then, I did see some little, like these had the headers on them, the headers. There's some stuff in here that looks fairly similar to that. Let me have a look. Here we go, that we can just pop these on other things. So I think that would look nice just there like so. I need something up here, I think. Oh, decisions. Maybe we need more flowers up there. As you can see, my thought process is just all over the place. I just pop things down and hope that they look good. Oh, same, don't like. Yeah, just not hope that they match, but hope that they, yeah, hope that it sort of all comes together. So like I really don't like that one there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this up or if I'm going to have to go and get the undo. Let's just see if I can peel it up gently and see what happens. But I'm really not liking that one. I don't know if it's because it's too big or what it may be, but I'm not liking it. It's doing a good job of coming up. Come on, maybe a little bit more to go. Oh, a little bit stuck on there, but that's okay. I'll pop that one back in a minute. I'll just use my knife just to get that a little bit up. Yeah. Undo is your best friend. I will pop something else there. Actually, we might pop a flower there, I think. Yeah, undo is great. But I don't seem to drag it out as much as what I should. So I don't know why that is. And I'm having trouble again trying to get these things out. Oh, for the life of me. Ah, there we go. Excellent. We might just move that around. No, we're going to have that one there and that one like that, I think. Yeah, beautiful. All right, now I want a box, but I want a box around here. I might either try one of those little boxes or I'll put a little box in somewhere because we've only got one little box over there, so we could do with another couple of little boxes. And I might use that one and pop it there. That's better. Pop that one back in, seeing as I'm in the vicinity. Okay, beautiful. Here are the little boxes. We've got a little pink one. We can put that one there like that. That's good. And then we might use this colour, and we can pop one up here like so. Oh. Sorry, like I said, I've got this little niggle in my throat that I have to keep clearing it all the time, and it really is a pain. Alright, I did see some little love hearts that I like that sort of matched this. Let's go back and have a look and see if I can find them. There they are. I think one would look really nice down there. And another over there. Okay, I don't think that turned out too bad at all. Oh, could leave something down in here, I think. We've got something small we can pop in there. Sorry, I'm going off. Flicking through. Oh, here we go. I wonder if one of those would work well there. Maybe not. I wonder if we could just use one of these little things in there again. I wonder if one of those little things would just look nice just on the bottom. Just to fill up that space, that's all. Alright, I'm kind of liking that. I think that worked out quite nicely. I will probably add some more. I kept the stickable candy, and I'll probably end up adding some more in there as I go through and journal for the week. I might add in like another box here, another one down there, or whatever. So this is just like a base for me to work on. So let's pop it back on the discs and see how it looks. Move the book out of the way. Okay, I'm quite happy with that actually. I don't think that's too bad at all. Worked out quite nicely. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for hanging out with me. See you later.